Who you trying to fool? You're not a vegan. All right, people, once again, we are at Piapi Mango Avenue here in Piapi, right on the border with Bantayan over there. And we are at the Green Chef. This is the first time I have come here with the family. This is the first time Chichai and Janice and Zoe have had vegan. I am not a vegan or a vegetarian by any means, but if you're looking for a new place, a new classy establishment that really puts a lot of effort into their preparation and their presentation and everything else, come check out the Green Chef. Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Hippocrates, something like that. As you can see, this is a fairly new establishment. Most of their business is actually doing delivery. They actually have like a bunch of students and stuff going to Silliman, and I've met actually a few of them. They go to Silliman University and they get their meals delivered. And it's quite a good deal on it. We've been here before, like I said. I just want to do a quick walk through. The air conditioning inside is absolutely fantastic. I'm actually shooting this at the end of our meal. And we're getting ready to go see the monkeys. But this is an inside dining area. You saw the outside dining area when we came in. Everything is very nice, very classy. I did the tour of the comfort room before, so we won't repeat that. You also, again, the kitchen it's like somebody's like home kitchen. It's really nice, very sanitary. They got everything just, it's like a first world, really nice restaurant place. And yeah, the owners, and I guess there's 3 owners that started this, they did a superlative job in putting together everything. The staff is very courteous. It's just a great place. So I mentioned this before, but I'll mention it again. If you're in the area, and this is Piapi right on the Bantayan border, come check out Green Chef. And now we are going to see
monkeys.
The monkeys.
Zoey's sibling.
And yes, there is a sock, which I use for the cover of my GoPro, on the table. Alright, so one of the great things about Green Chef here is you get these complimentary fried spinach leaves with a nice little sauce. And that's what we're eating right now. But Zoe is not too crazy about it. No, she's not feeling that spinach. Yeah. Sounds like a mosquito bite. Ready, Zoe? Wow, there's the wife's hamburger is done. Looks like my Thai basil is done. And there's Zoe's sweet potato chips, kamote. So it looks like they got everything ready, fast service. And here at my Philippine Dreams, this is the number that I like to see. 23 degrees Celsius. Works for me. All right, there is Chichai's vegan hamburger. That's looking pretty good. And there is Janice's vegan fried chicken, and she got some turmeric rice, which is very good. It's loaded with antioxidants and all that stuff. Zoe's still looking confused, but she has her chips. Ooh. And there's my Thai basil with some flatbread right here. Yeah, that's looking mighty good. Zoe's working on her chips. All right, that's looking pretty good. There's a vegan burger. There's no beef in there. Let's go. Try it out. Don't make a mess. You're on video. It's good?
I'm impressed.
Yeah, it's pretty freaking good. I guess the thing about vegan cuisine is you have to know how to really cook it. You got to know the spices and how to prepare it, actually know how to cook to really set it off. This is Thai basil soy. It's freaking amazing. Janice has, again, the tofu chicken, which has the consistency of chicken and tastes good. And yeah,
with feelings.
there's a lot of love in that, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of love in that. Not so much beef, not so much cow, but love.
Give this with feelings.
What kind of feelings?
Like this.
So what are you doing, commercial for Green Chef? Oh, by the way, we get no free meals or any kind of kickbacks or for anything that we like and we endorse. And we're endorsing this place, right? It's pretty good. So what do you think? She doesn't know what to make of these camote chips, so she's basically just dipping in the ketchup and slurping the ketchup off of it like it's a spoon because she can't quite figure out how to eat them. Zoey, come on.
He's just too excited to see the monkeys.
Want to see the monkeys? She also seems to be checking out our server. You want to be a server? Get us an employee discount, Zoey. Give the last bit of hamburger for Zoey. See if she likes it. The hanger is open. She chewed.
How is it? You want more?
Oh, look at this. There's a ringing endorsement.
Say ah.
Ah, yeah, she likes it. You're a vegan. And it's not that expensive at all. Hers was 170. That's a little over $3. Janice's was 180 pesos. That's a little over $3. And mine was 220, which is like $5, somewhere thereabouts. Good stuff. Time for some mango juice. Some mango juice?
So this is a jackfruit, right?
Yes, that's the fried chicken / jackfruit.
So I don't really like jackfruit though, but I'm gonna try.
Okay. Wow, is that your surprise face? Yeah, see, that's the jackfruit. It's got like
It
the
doesn't
consistency
taste like
of chicken. Look,
jackfruit.
it's got the consistency of chicken. Oh my goodness. And somebody is getting some vegan ice cream. Wow, thank you very much. Just when I said we don't get any complimentary kickbacks or anything, it looks like we got a kickback. Ooh.
Try it, Zoey. Big mouth.
No.
Bite. Yummy. Yum. Look at your face. Full of ice cream. Tell Daddy no.
No. All right, so the total damage on this is we had 3 entrees. We had the Thai basil, the vegan hamburger, the vegan fried chicken, the potato chips, and the mango juice. 680 pesos, which is about $13 for the 3 of us. And as you can see, the portions are large, so we have leftovers. Highly recommend this. This is your first time eating vegan?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm impressed.
You're impressed?
Because I never liked vegetables my whole life.
You never liked vegetables before you came to the Green Chef. Janice, what do you think?
That's good. I eat vegetables, so it's okay.
You've eaten vegetables before?
Yeah, of course.
You've also eaten pigeons, frogs,
Yeah, the bird.
the bird adobo. And Zoey, what did you think?
Yummy.
Ice cream. Was the ice cream good?
Yummy. Yummy. Say yummy.
Yummy. Say hi to Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Papa. Hi, Grandpa. Alright, so that's the wrap. We're gonna go see the monkeys now. Hopefully we'll see the monkeys and nothing horrible will happen because they're not very friendly monkeys. This is Ned.
Chicha.
This is Zoey. Zoey. And we'll see you next time at My Philippine Dreams. Highly recommended, Green Chef. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.